Teach me how to use YouTube.com. YouTube is a video sharing platform that allows users to upload, share, and view videos. Here are some basic steps to get started with YouTube. Create a YouTube account. You can sign up for a new account on the YouTube website, https://www.youtube.com/ using your Google account or by creating a new Google account. Create a YouTube channel. This is your personal space on YouTube where you can upload and share videos. You can create a channel by clicking on the My Channel button on your YouTube account. Upload videos to your channel. You can do this by clicking on the Upload button on your channel page. YouTube supports a wide range of video formats, and you can also edit your videos using YouTube's built-in video editor. Optimize your videos for SEO. This includes adding a title, description, tags, and closed captions to your videos to help them be found by viewers. Promote your videos. Share your videos on social media and other platforms to attract more viewers. Interact with your audience. YouTube allows you to communicate with your viewers by responding to comments, creating a community tab, and using other interactive features. Use YouTube Analytics to track your performance. YouTube provides a variety of statistics, such as viewer count, watch time, and more, which can help you understand your audience and improve your videos. Keep creating and uploading new content to keep your audience engaged. YouTube has a huge community and lot of resources available online, like tutorials, videos, documentation, and forums. You can find many resources to help you learn how to use YouTube and continue to improve your skills.